Akwesi da sese wajibre also ahwe na watimi ede nkomo kama say dia bre so say yeah wrap up with our last segment on Badwam. That's Mpensenpensenmu. We can show bo akai also say yeah the minority leader and Ebetri Nkomo, member of parliament for Ifutu. Kwaba.
Eja. Why?
Well, you meet me with a smile, but it's not that easy.
So you want to do pound for pound this morning? Is that why you are here?
I wouldn't be bothered about that because more distraction for the focus of this government, very unfair. Maybe for lack of a better word. And good governance is not built on that focus and a leg of distractions and called for and constructive. It's sad.
Okay, so give me an example of distraction.
For instance, the letter that the open letter to the president. You are directing the president what he's supposed to do.
Oh, but have you read Akan letter?
I've just read it.
Oh,
the intent. The intent. Clearly, the intent.
Okay.
Quoting relevant portions of the Constitution and all those things. That's you.
So,
in your estimation, you think that the president has gone contrary. In Parliament, we are seeing how you guys are going about the activities over there.
my man chair or Ashofano pay. Now when I would say him. It's good to be here.
Always.
And I'm happy to be here.
Always.
Our platform, it allows for a good discussion and to allow you to think on your feet. So first, Omampeyin Mahama, 2017 May. Or yet Twitter be, or Twitter there, and when aban ayenadwin there obey you easy because of transition period employment. Those people are citizens of Ghana, and that it amount to discrimination. And sabi aben lose nutuma nasa aben fufore ba on nchede nzema waye nyina no wombongo. And to be honest with you, true to it, those people who were recruited in December 2016 were never sacked. I challenge any NDC ni biara the American on the unfair evidence in bra. I know of recruitment in Yoko, FIC, GRA, EPA, many institutions. In fact, for some of these institutions, interviews were conducted in the evenings. I don't want to use the word night, after NDC had lost elections. Recruitment into immigration, fire service, police, and all that were done after the NDC had lost power. Now, let me tell you, go and check 2017 March. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo graduated, the guest of honor for the graduating parade, Ewo Fosu, for immigration. For all others that were in training, MPP and touching Nipo Krumpo. Never. Go and check the records. It is a yen yanumu warrior nehu. Oya sefim oya roho. And saying to me yanka. Omanu onkoye.
Obeka kanne kwaso.
Of course. That is why easy.
Obeka kanne kwaso, because you are talking about a flag bearer of a party. Our opposition, our can't be. Now our bar bema be say asemo kan no. Need the akoso bra oti akonya so no different because the letter from the chief of staff say adwumaku mpanyimfo nyina momma enipa no ho abakosem omo dia bawi there's another letter that follows up to say esan say ye pese ye boama amanyo sema ye papa ekoso nti good governance nyoma bi a akoso right after about 22 years nti no montwentwen ana ebetwa saa nyoma na akoso nyina. Why do you use 2024 opposition flag bearer who is not on top of what the reality was or is to say oh they are not this one call? Is that possible?
Oh, when the man was in opposition 2017 and there Akufo-Addo na question certain recruitment, He was out there in the public space. Yesterday, I raised it on the floor of the House, condemning that possible action, and said that, look, whatever it was, Nimpa no Egani, those were the words of President Mahama. I would want you to play some of these things and show the Twitter, what he tweeted, okay, to the Ghanaian public. Now, za Orokano, on to in a sense that first, also recruitment one appointment letters after December 7th. Okay? Meanwhile, if the letters are some of these state institutions were issued now. Some people were recruited and given letters as far back as July 2024. It been my ejuma since October, September. Now, some of the institutions, they are not government subvented institutions. Some of the institutions, and they are limited liability companies, save that Aben Oye the sole shareholder.
Exim.
Now, some of these institutions, they have their own IGF. They generate their own revenue. They pay on their own. Some of the banks. All right, so they are not even on government payroll roller. Those recruitments will affect fiscal policy of government in any way. Two, some of them that you are saying they were recruit one December. On my hand, recruitment is not a one-day event. It is a process. Meaning, some of these institutions, where you interview, where your aptitude test, where your medicals, and all. So, if for some reason, Obini letter were issued December 28, saying that the appointment takes effect in January, you have come as a government. I'm not saying they don't do audits, but on my Inzoro Kwadono, mass dismissal, and you as a respected media house, you think it is normal that Ghana for in Brenton and Ketesia, Nyankopon Adom, when you Juma ya, wo jiwonezi da one cat nefi, what better than Wezzy? One mammy no better than wash one in Drew, your baby, Rahowana, what better than what we do. Kote ma dwenye there. Abens in the new budget reba. In terms of budget reba, if you feel that there are vacancies or there further recruitment, you go ahead and recruit.
But you subscribe to the fact that
they were teacher for
also a form there
are a lot of teachers. For one. Yen schools piwa we teacher for. And Crawford graduates, for instance, UEW. There was a backlog of Nkrofo graduate with BEd. What pay recruitment, diploma graduates. What pay teaching job in the GS. When your opportunity, you are sacking all of them in the nursing profession. There were nurses pia. What if here? 1 year juma wa graduates. That's a wa for 1 way juma ma. Can we do look a crassy wa ko bon bi no bon. Community health nurses. Wa for 1 juma ma. Warrior juma. And yet the warrior Afenyo Markin ejuma. And yet the warrior Mahin ejuma warrior Abeye juma. They are nurses, public servants. Omahin, yenu anum NDC for no one shwenze maybe. By the way, this is an advice to any political class. You see, sometimes politicians they mistakes. What do tum nesha yensa? Yen first target in there, yen crush yen opponent is a big mistake. I'm sure with time we will learn. I remember 2000 election after Kufuor had won. We saw a lot of things. People were saying, oh, NDC will collapse. NDC on so far VBO. By 2008, NDC was back into office. The same thing. 2008, when we lost power, oh, MPP, we are done with them. Chasing the elephant into the bush. By 2016, we're back. I'm saying that some of these attacks, can we as a political class use common sense to stop this?
It's matter. Only when you are in opposition that's where you reason. It's only when you're in opposition.
To my person,
I'm sorry, but it's only when a politician is in opposition. That's where reasonability and rationality. All politicians become rational human beings when they're in opposition.
I would concede to that. Let me be fair. That's why I've called for a common sense approach. and I use the word the political class. Collectively, we all make a lot of mistakes. I admit. As is on trade. When power comes, there are a lot of times that we all make mistakes. I will admit it. I will not pretend that I am a saint or somebody is not a saint. But I'm saying that on money to baby, we have to move on as a nation. Without taking myself out, the army is saying, look, I did a lot of night walking when we were in office. A lot of night walking where there were seeming injustice, when some of our friends will reach out to make sure they're there. I don't want to mention names on Kobando, in your busy, in Komo or Kukuma, or Pado. But very prominent NDC members. That is why these days, I send a text. I say, hey, bro, are you aware of this? Are you aware of this? I have all of them. The kind of interactions. Ibinum court issues, Nazi, then would reach out and look. For the sake of the country, the atmosphere, the mazi,
so all you did was to suppress illegalities.
No,
that's what you did.
I'm not talking illegalities. I'm talking about situations where politically you act in a manner who opponent before that he's been haunted. That's the point I'm making. I'm not talking about supporting, encouraging illegality. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that we must always have moderates in the political party. In Zemebi or on Koyeya, Wobotunwa reach out to the extremists and tame them. That look, we don't need it as a country. And this is the time I expect the moderates in NDC to rise up and caution the extremists in their party. Because they are all kodono on ye. But then Berikano, if Yakana was won't say all these boys on the street, the youths, all these youths, you put them back to the streets, you'll be on your way out of government. The very government that you think you've worked for. If today, Abba, Ebi obi oye MPP onye adwuma ye inta abanumpo wanto, but today ebu enenwa when would some party or power and many adwuma in this onket fie. It's an eye opener.
But is that a tangent we need to go as a country?
No, that is where we should pull the brakes. And I'm saying that if you have won power today, and then this if one came there, President Mahama was only 4 years. In 2028, they are bringing a new candidate. We are hearing Asiedun Katia, we are hearing Julius Debra, we are hearing Harun Idrisu, we are hearing some other names. We have also heard Eriko Poku. So they themselves, they should know that come 2028, they will have apathy issues to deal with.
Likewise, your party.
Of course, we've gone through it.
You have challenge.
We've taken our bitter pill.
You have that challenge. Admit. Once you are pointed fingers.
I'll come there. Yeah? Can I finish one set of analysis? I'll finish one and I'll come to the other. On my hand. All right? Cool. Stop your mischief.
Cool.
Let me finish one thing. So they have apathy staring at them come 2028. Look at Parliament, for instance. A lot of the MPs are redundant. They said only 60. Now they have over 130 to deal with. People have no jobs. They've not been able to even get about 100 into the chamber because their MPs have become very redundant. Mm-hmm. They have that issue to deal with. They have internal issues, and then you have governance issues. You've made promises to Ghanaians. Say me deal with it. A government's job is to create jobs. A government, a bona fide of government is to create jobs. It's not to declare people redundant. It's not to take people out of jobs and declare them unemployed. A government's main bona fide is to create jobs and bring relief. Until we are na aba, and your public record is that sack them. Sack them.
Now, I don't know how people can sack them when the watchword is in promotion of good governance.
Oh my.
Hey, but why do you want to do that?
Oh my, so no, brofo.
So, papa.
What is the net effect? Sack them. What? Also, one sack Ghana for one for one.
Obi biara.
Okay, so do you know there is a legal word called ratification? Do you know a word called ratification? Ratification in law means that even if it is irregular, regularize it.
So you deliberately do irregularities to regularize.
Even if or you're irregular, you regularize it. Even if. Without admitting that there was irregularity.
So if they had called for suspension in place of revocation, because you did that in 2020, I think when recruitment MP, health minister, Ajimamenu, nurses, it was on suspension.
No, that is when you have not completed the process. So you suspend it and then continue. They could have, but as we speak, Unkofa started Jumomain, Obi Wajini pay 1 month, 2 months. People have been posted. Omain Kofuru soon. Oh Jesus Christ!
You are not in government, so you are not on top of what is happening.
Omain,
you are not in government.
Omain, people have been employed, posted. Some of these nurses were remote areas. Obi Bia, Obi Fi Winneba was now Kwako to Pandai. It's now unpack Wako rented. And Omain, do they care? No, man, listen, this thing is a serious matter.
The Ghana we want.
So the Ghana we want is that sack them. No, but that's what they've done. The Ghana we want, the NDC,
the Ghana
that
we want.
Ghanaians voted for came to say we are sacking workers.
We are building the Ghana we want.
Well, the reality is that Moframa we university or bad time be ordinary here or actually never work on nursing area. Osni here or actually never work on university area. Wafen ejumam. The more bad time no so in the never ye juma bosumosa or brain bibi kakra wone krase. Adam mami penyin no onya homaka neba no ogini pe a mama febi koto edru na fasho ho na se inda aben foforo aba inya da aben ne be no so ye ba fa nkrofo we edwumam osimi be yi nkrofo edi we yi won ezi so
in matters of this
have you seen people whose letters have been issued terminating their appointment?
I've seen a lot of
if they were irregular. Why the word termination? And you know, some of these public servants, what office, they are using a language there upon the directive from the chief of staff. We are terminating your appointment.
Directive.
So is it not sacking or mine? It's the upon directive. So you are terminating. None of the letters I have seen is stating there you were irregularly employed. None is saying that you were irregularly employed. None of them is saying that. They're saying that your appointment has been terminated. We are not, you are on probation, so we have suspended the employment process. So go home, pack, obisi there, take your pay and go. Today is your last day. February, whatever will be paid you pro rata and all that. Oh my, do we need that as a country? Sebi say MPP fumpo cancer, MPP fumpo waba abemen waye mistake bia. Yeah, the same mistake in Ghana for say that they be the moon from doing it. One coffee. Into also abano. Do you continue the moon from dono? Ewa bem. Let's get it straight. Me tell me here perfect. Our here perfect. But with time, we all improve. Get things done better.
What time should that be?
We have,
when is that time?
That time is now.
Why was it not your time?
Oh, so if it was not my time, that is why I've paid for it. The reason why MPP is not in power is because MPP made some mistakes.
But, Honorable Afenyo Markin, that's the mantra.
Because
I think
in governance you can never get it perfect.
The basis for this conversation is principle of the Ghanaian and the politician.
Which is
we lack principle as politicians.
Therefore, is it too late to initiate it?
Because I am hurt in 2017. Why don't you want to be hurt?
In 2017, steps were taken. I'm saying it again on authority there. In 2017, this mass sacking of youths who have been engaged never happened. I repeat it. Check it. Let somebody come and rebut me. Because I know of recruitment that took place in some public institutions. That became an issue. But the government said, let it go. Akufo-Addo, let NDC come and tell us that people who had been regularly employed, whether in December after the election in 2016 or before, were sacked. Let them bring evidence. Oman, let them bring evidence and let's interrogate the issues. Whether somebody was employed in a state-owned enterprise after the 2016 election and upon assumption of office, those people were all sacked. It is true that during the vetting, Honorable Osafumafu raised it, that the transition period, it was not proper for certain recruitment to be made. But the NDC then explained and made this same argument today that the employment
government mandate.
No. Also, the employment that they were making at the time, employing people, or a process, and some had started even before the election. I'm saying that I know state institutions that were employing drivers, graduates, none of them, not a single one, in the security services, not a single one, not a single individual who was recruited under NDC in December. None of the persons are work training in December 2016. Look, Akufo-Addo presided over their graduation. Go and check the record of mine. Truth is one. No kwara yakrope. Yen you no NDC for 1 year awoye no. Na onyinda wachira 4 years onyechiro. Omahin 4 years onyechiro. 4 years onyechiro. Oya meka me say, yen na say na MPP winning Akufo-Addo ba power. De obia nenyu age yenye 169 seat in parliament. 8 years aba. Akufo-Addo is not in power. NDC has taken over. Me say, hey, yen na say na at the most of blessed memory. On winning 2008 election. You go position, chasing the elephant into the bush. 4 years. Another 4 years. So, yen drin unkwechi. Ne yen jede, me party aba. Oninti, me bese yaze.
But, Jinaha, Nyoma, you know, politics of deception and then lack of principle on all of us, are part, admitted. I don't know, Jibre say bre, Titu Ghana Sika. Etna say with this transition, but we are implementing what the act says, it becomes a difficulty for all of us. Why? Why?
So we do smooth transition at the highest level. Then when it goes down, we disrupt it. And I'm saying that this is a matter that as a political class, we should sit and know that, look, enough is enough.
How do we arrive at this point? Because as we are talking,
because we have a law.
If you go to a certain region,
we have a law.
Most of these offices, we
have a law. Can we go by the law? And then I raised an issue in Parliament. Honorable Minta Kando, Health Minister, will be making statement about cholera outbreak in meningitis. In his submission, he talked about this gap at the local government level, which affects implementation of government policy. Straight away, I realized that, look, Professor Mills Oye Bibi, when he came into office, that the MMDC should stay until a new person was nominated. Then there will be smooth transition, which was very good. NDC, they were sworn in on the 7th. By on the 9th, letters had been issued. As we speak, all our assemblies, no leadership. All the assemblies across the nation. We don't have metropolitan chief executives, municipal chief executives. We don't have DCs. All right? You leave the country, the local governance, in the hands of civil servants. And you need a certain political direction. Civil servants, all you need to because by need training, or you neutral, take firm decision. So, Minta Kando express his frustration that even at that level, saying, when you're civil servant to be a why you're ready, then look, let me go all out. Things will stagnate. Why is it taking the government too long? Knowing that, okay, we want to terminate the appointment of Akufo-Addo's appointees. Be ready. At least we have a local government minister. We in Parliament fast-track the process of our confirmation for them. A local government minister has been in office for some 3 weeks. What is he waiting for? Why are they not expediting the process of nominating MMDCs? What is stopping them? All right? Of course, subject to getting qualified candidate. You know, the when one call class 6 and one call JHS simple is on member MC. In that process, I'm not sure the people would be happy with you. You know, if for instance, you know, they are not getting qualified candidates.
They are not getting.
No, they are not getting a qualified. I'm saying they are not getting a qualified. No. I'm saying that they need a qualified candidate.
No.
They need somebody who has the competence. What I'm saying that, for instance, in the Futu, if they don't bring a competent person, the person will not get a nod.
That's not for you to say.
Yeah, but they need to bring a
competence.
We need competence at the local government
level. That is not for you to say.
Yes, but we need a competent person to assist in governance. We can't get anybody there. Why?
So your thinking is that the president and the entire team will throw anybody at the
Who party win the power and TC? Or Miley, Alele, come and be an MC. Or Miley, Alele, second deputy woman organizer, second deputy organizer, into come and be MC.
But a party reward. You did that for your party people.
So we should allow an Olele to become an MC.
Who is Olele?
No. It's just by way of example. Ebia zin, Mesebia, Olele, Beye, MC. Olaile and Olele, Ebia Wanko, class 6. Ebia was.
But does it really matter?
No, Ebia on in governance on Yamo from Agro. No, you must understand the issues. You can't just get up and get into governance.
But if we get back into how you engage our DCs and MCs.
If you allow incompetence at the local level, it will affect governance. That is the truth.
But that's what we've done to ourselves as a country.
Then we read in the speech. Or committee bina, you know, what's one thing, what is the person's own vision?
So, like if your prescription say, there must
somebody who can do the work. That is all.
How do you see that somebody?
Oh, you must have certain minimum qualifications. At least who school some one kasa background as an individual. Ebe na here in the community. Apart from your party work, you should bring something on board. You should be a tolerant person. Somebody who is development oriented. Somebody who is a go-getter. As for choosing your party member, it is your own bona fide. That one, we can't stop you. It definitely will be a known party member. But that known party member must have the requisite skills. That is the point I'm making. That's the point I'm making. And as we speak, there is a huge vacuum at the local governance level. We don't have political leaders. It's affecting governance. Is that what we want?
Okay, so if you've just joined that, the Afenyo Markin, minority leader in parliament now. By the way, Monya invitation to this national conversation.
Oh, one friend. I mean,
the educational conversation.
They didn't invite us. I'm
the economic
I'm the minority leader. I don't have any letter. All they are so-called.
But do you need to be invited? It's a national dialogue.
Have they not invited stakeholders? Stop it.
You are the minority leader. And I'm saying that you need
so
to be invited.
You go and grade crash. You go and grade
But
crash.
it's a national discourse.
The national discourse you invite. Please, you know it. You know it.
Are you saying you've not been written to?
Call them. Call them and ask.
Your party too.
Call them and ask. By the way, these are guys who came in with one manifesto. Anna, where is their manifesto? What manifesto no way?
Because of the rot they've come to meet.
Manifesto no way?
Because of the rot they've come to meet.
Rot is what?
There's a need for a total auditing in these two areas.
Auditing of what?
One, the economy. Two, our educational sector. And the president talks about areas that need reforms.
They are not on their own. They don't get it. NDC, they don't get it. They don't get it. This is a party that came into office with its own manifesto. A blueprint for implementation of policies. And here, we had our blueprint. We rolled them out. Roll yours out and let's see. They are trying to disown their policies so that we can know. And here, you know, or dialogue na the yet bear no na ibinum wase. Own it, own up.
na ada na person o free say na me wo bia bi na menim de cause my back to bia from me hunu say meji Ghana ni bia adwene aba additional.
No, you said you had your own manifesto. Where is the NDC manifesto?
But it is there.
Look,
complementing what you are going to do
in governance, political party Bema was in the manifesto. When you are voted into office, that manifesto need a social contract. Implement it.
But so say social contracts
no.
How do you political parties?
Didn't you hear them some years ago work at their homegrown solution?
Of course.
What in Crawford Cross Senchi? Do you remember? Do you remember the Senchi Accord? Do you remember the Senchi Accord? Okay, see, in fact, I'm saying that enough of the talking. Mr. President, stop the talk, walk the talk.
He's walking it.
Mr. President, walk the talk. Walk the talk. They've been sweeping the account of institutions. Institutions need money to operate. Release their money to them. Government institutions need money to operate. What's Kenya? Abanye sweep.
How?
Which one? Aban ejumayafu pi woko wana account ma wosika abanya aje we sweep ninya from the account. Be someone.
But we are an experienced lawyer and a politician. You also don't make a sweeping statement like that.
Don't do not a sweeping statement. Didn't you hear the GS war complaint? Ante. Emina Makai. Has government answered them? Obini sika why a budget? What's it? Institution A, Wusikenyi, Institution B, Wusikenyi. Aben from nowhere without recourse. We sweep one Sikenyi if you want to account him. For what? They have to come and explain. They have to come and explain. Omahin, share what's it? So one ye wunitintin ana yedembia. Ana Actually, na ye wunitintin yedembia.
Kana poncheni
owa na ye wunitintin. Ana ola roti me so okay bibi what the gods are not to blame. Also all the frogs are lying prostrate with time. Belly ache.
With time.
Eh? With time, belly ache.
So you are marking that time.
Miss with time, belly ache.
So you're not thinking.
We'll let some.
You're not thinking
some
good
of
for
them lie flat.
You're not thinking good for this administration.
No.
Your thinking is that
because
BBC,
no,
BBC,
they pretended, they misled Ghanaians. With time, we will see the true colors of the NDC. Yeah, Omahin, their first color, the first color that we've seen is this sacking of Ghanaian workers.
How do you see?
That is their first true color. Hypocrisy, double standard.
The directives from the Minister of Communication.
Omahin, didn't the president promise the Ghanaian youth? Say ya ba, yam pamumo, yes you be recruiting.
Yes, sir. We are dealing with good governance. One go through a process, and you still have a problem.
Okay, meba.
Why are you doing that? Don't paint that picture.
Brofo mu ne wo bibia your friend rectification.
Waka ya church
ratification.
And waka even if it was an irregularity.
Ratification. Na ya say wo bibia your friend rectification. You rectify. If at the end here. Now the end so it was if it was not regularly done. Yeah, to me,
you correct that.
I say board.
Yeah.
Board, I say board is here. Managing director take a decision. Managing director
and the managing director could take a decision.
Board is metia. They do what we call ratification.
Okay, so
then I meba. And who accuse say Oman ye so. For the purpose of good governance, you rectify.
Not all situations.
You know. But
you know.
When you are talking about employment, you are also talking about economic rights. It's constitutional. Economic right. I want to new constitution. Economic rights of a citizen.
That's correct.
You are denying the citizen of his economic right. Obi enye juma we twa ne ka obosom. We twa ne bosom ebien aba. Awo NDC is there ba is a juma baba. Inya be no inya NDC na what promise 331 o say
331 24 hours.
What's
133.
133.
Juma bako. So is
that the 133? Is that the 133? Ejuma ba kuni permiasa. It is a MPP.
Yeah.
Yam funny there. Yeah. Recruitment. In the name of 24-hour economy, recruit another set.
Afenyo Markin air drafted policy. No, we
Manana. So 133 on
very soon.
On my 133 on Is this a 133 sacking people? Shemo from a once a go to my worsu. When you are Jephobia, Omahin, this is the first true color of NDC. This is the first true color of NDC. Sacking people. Now Ghana Funina was when you was higher than it was him. Ghana Funina's when you was him. So Ghana Funina ichim true color.
No, but that is not the case.
Hold on.
Hold on. So hold on.
Omahin, Mr. Wasak and Krofana one second.
My who are now to as former persons in power and with power. Afenyo Markin majority leader, now minority leader. Afenyo Markin now sees every.
No, you are getting it wrong. No, hold on. You are not being fair. Be fair.
Have you read the directive from the Ministry of Communication directing radio station to close down? Have you read it?
Omahin, a pedestrian to be Bishop.
Have you read it?
We say who? The care there.
You are talking about good governance.
A care the same Sam George or opposition or condemn me.
But that is what I'm talking about. The deceit and the lack of principle.
You've seen it. So you've seen that they lack principle. They are not consistent.
We lack principle.
No. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Omahin, have you seen it?
Is it in promotion of good governance?
Omahin, I'm saying that se azenen cancer in the danon ya indo wa be inye ni ebia mpocho. Omahin mebetena ansa na ye bakasan meji bibi tum da ayen amanyofon oya ye yemfundu pi manka.
Correct.
I'm not being hypocritical here. No. I am being fair that oftentimes when we win power there are things that on ye majatu. But I'm saying that se the mazeno okodara obo amembo ana. Omahin, ask them the relevant questions.
Just like I'm asking you.
Of course. Were they not the people who critiqued some of the actions of MPP? That why could revoke Obini lines?
That is so.
Obi wa terminating appointment.
So what were the grounds that you were misbehaving when you had power?
What are they doing? Omahin, for the time being they are in office. Are they not? Omahin Mimbo, Missy, they are in office.
Yeah.
I have conceded, and this should rest your question.
Okay.
I have conceded.
Okay.
The political class.
Let's make progress.
Mistakes P. The time has come. There's the man from Duni Bino. Yebo who there a member was this Shawonsa. No was Asha Wonsa Precopede, Yejumana Fobwa.
So let's progress.
Share Mezazi Bridge.
Before that, what's the latest on Ablikuma North?
Oh, I am the Eritrean. Easy. No new one security. What's the what trend? Police.
And what are you doing as minority leader?
Oh, Omahin, we are expecting the police will provide the security needed so that they can complete their work.
Are you not worried about what is happening?
Oh, we raised our issue on the floor of the House.
Are you comfortable that the police cannot give protection to the electoral commission?
We raised the issue on the floor of the House. We'll continue to pursue it.
So for how long will we be doing this kind of politics to ourselves?
Well, Omahin, you should ask them, not me.
I'm asking you.
Omahin, ask them. NDC win. Why do you go on rampage? It is their regional organizer who led some tax to attack EC officials and attack the UC property. Nobody has spoken about it. Abenden Kamoshe, look at all the post-election violence. They won. So, Masama Mbi saying, NDC win is that. Even when they won, look at the violence. And there are all those guys who led the violence when a juicy appointment or binumu PMMC, youth employment, NYA, NPA, they've all gotten juicy jobs. What teacher one more on a Juma Kasaka Sinti? Yes, that do we need violence in our democracy? No. We don't need violence in our democracy. Wako to Aba.
Okay.
Where we election, where we are electoral commission. The way you want to do. I'm there. Friday.
Yeah.
Graphic. Where front page story was a man, Honorable Ayerga, majority leader. And Monday, Mr. Bibi wa Parliament Friday, where front page was a man. Can you imagine the level of NDC's intolerance? They were attacking graphic.
For
why
what?
do I them a woman minority
but
for
graphic
front
is
page?
Not for NDC.
Can you imagine? Meanwhile, on Friday now, Ayariga picture but the front page. Honestly, when you problem. Majority Chief Whip was on social media attacking Graphic. So this should tell you the level of intolerance.
The majority Chief
Oh,
Whip.
go and read. It's on social media.
That what?
Mamun Kanmo. Mekanamo. Meba. Mamumwe Menkanmo.
Our minority leader.
Oh, Mama.
Be sure that is the exact thing.
That's exactly. Oh, or refer to it. It's here. Also, at a glance, you can tell the mindset of the editor of Daily Graphic. The activities of the president, a statement by the majority leader, are actually editorially subsumed by the criticisms of government by the minority leader. In the past 8 years or more, I have never seen the Daily Graphic diminish the sitting head of state or the majority leader of parliament in favor of the opposition
Daily
this way.
Graphic,
Yes. As a government chief whip, I am most unhappy by this unethical and open show of bias journalism by editors of Daily Graphic against NDC government.
Why do they just take us for granted and just ensure?
Can you imagine? Meanwhile, since our MPP about minority in parliament, Monday was the first time that Graphic even gave us a banner.
No, but at a glance.
Meanwhile, Friday, exactly.
How do you conclude?
I'm saying that to them, and that's a style in parliament.
It is not.
Even when
it is,
Mrs. That is their style.
That's a case study. It's not.
You know,
don't box the NDC every.
Oh, but that's how they treat us in parliament. They don't want us to talk.
It's not possible.
No, now even attacking Daily Graphic, that nothing of the minority should come on the front page. Meanwhile, they had the front page story. Look, in there, haven't you seen Daily Graphic in there? Fabra.
Graphic.
In the Daily Graphic, just today, have you seen Fabra? Fabra, please. Don't do this. You see, President Mahama, front page, ended up. Go to yesterday too. The man I want to share. It must always be NDC and nothing. And that's who President Mahama. Banner. Into opposition. What show won't be kakra? No way. They will attack Graphic. Is it fair? So for NDC, wayakinana kasa preko, wakasa uyindo biaka sebi, and that's what they do in parliament. But nyanku poninti, I am the mighty minority. Will not surrender. We are a mighty few, a happy few, a mighty few. We'll be strong, be resilient, and demonstrate that we are formidable. We'll hold their feet to the fire. Says your Monday, 24th. Or another Air Classico. Oh, no, they are nominees. We are going to grill them. No, yeah,
but I have no catch there.
Yeah, catch on. Catch on. They want to intimidate here. No, work for war full soldiers in the man, no elbow, no washisha yaroba. Adom nyanyimi de MPP able to mo yasua dem ti na oza sua hen ye bobo mozen yasua memudia no Adom nyanyimi de able to mo yasua. We won't give up.
But don't be asking unnecessary questions.
No, we'll ask the necessary questions. Eba veteran. What will CV? I don't ask questions outside of their CV. I don't ask questions outside of their CV. Please, don't get it wrong. I look at their CV. Interreba, prepare your CV well. In your questionable certificate, go and do your homework. Because you're a baby son. If they kita first degree, wahimfa, is it kita masters? A Kenya masters wahin, obi atro date no. Sometimes, don't you realize I even help them?
Yeah, but
sometimes give them the opportunity to correct.
When you are preparing those things, you know.
That is why I give them the opportunity.
Because some of them, they are your mates.
That's why I give them the opportunity to correct.
Is it fair? Obi not in classroom.
No. Now, so far, in the classroom, please. Don't create that impression. All I'm saying is that Monday, obey butu. No.
With the Ghana first mentality or with the MPP mentality?
No, we'll hold them on to account. We will ask you, your CV, there is no friend in Lagos. There is no friend in Lagos. Monday, first set, you should come prepared. The minority,
I'm not
we're not going to spare them.
We are going to go through another 3-4 hours to get to your point.
We will scrutinize them.
But that one,
we will do the
They will
vetting.
stop it because
They should stop it. Ghanaians will see.
But they will stop it because
Ghanaians will see.
you don't take undue advantage over that leverage.
Ghanaians will see. They should check the history. They should check Bagbin's vetting. They should check Harun Idrisu's vetting. We would ask the relevant questions. Want to use one majority no in fact intimidating. It will not happen. We would ask. We are covered by the law and the rules. Was over used to CV. Abrante is the year Juma war. Hifa. Ibe Juma na ye baby so. Into me sorry and kada be deputy minister. It will help the governance. It will assure the people that look, nyimpa na orbano or when you see in experience obotu was aye Juma. It's not personal. Into America that there's no friend in Lagos. Orbano and him there, Ikro University or UK. In him there were university now. Actually there Ikro and Kwa. Man fan CV no do. Because maybe so. Everybody for what certificate in Abra. What transcript? Who be
I don't know.
No. Inside the IC there. No, Zauba Kano.
But okay, for public records.
So bring
under oath.
Yes,
so bring under oath.
So that is why we are asking that bring the proof. Is it wrong?
It won't mean cross-check it as parliament. We need that unit now.
No. So then it means that it will delay. You bring it so that let's validate. Bring it. It's so Omahin Mpocho. Ako University of Ghana. Na atro. Na what's the first certificate? That's all. On your problem. Until you empatch pan obiba for back door. And now me wafa no.
Are you inferring that?
No, I'm not inferring. Me piacha there.
Are you inferring?
Omahin, I'm saying there. You empatch situation now. Obiba for back door.
Are you inferring?
Omahin, you empatch back door. You empatch back door visit. Be there. Oh, mpocho. Come and face the vetting. Come prepared.
These inferences, I'm for a pachoana.
On my Minkadab, no. So far, I can't say that. I'm saying there. Ereba, come prepared. Come prepared. If you know you are media shy, go through some grooming. Mambakado, you are not good in public communication. You communicate.
But you're good in public communication.
Then prepare. Why are you in public service?
Because I want to serve my country.
So be prepared for everything. You will face the public. On my end, we would ask the relevant questions. We will ask the relevant questions.
When are we expecting the president in parliament?
Well, the majority leader has given an indication. I don't remember the exact date, but the majority leader has given an indication.
You're not bothered because it's not your party.
No, the majority leader has given an indication.
The indication is that what?
That Obaba.
Dabein.
Oh, Omahin, please.
When is the budget
I can't take his job.
When is the budget on?
The finance minister is here to communicate to parliament officially when he is coming.
Okay, so minute back, you will try one by about rapport because Medanas bring the whole so Ajibre and the Abba. So just in a moment, we'll be back and wrap up with the minority leader. Mighty minority in
the
Parliament.
Mighty minority, the mighty few, the happy few.
All right, well, yeah, try and come on. So if you've just joined us, Nimjam for Afenyo Markin, the minority leader in Parliament, Ghana's Parliament.
Inti what waba zema party bi no waba bem NDC ababe one focus nyanyi to frustrate the minority leader and attack the minority leader, and they think that would make them popular.
But
instead of focusing on governance.
Did I hear also drones in them?
Yeah, Orafo no Akosua village, me beachfront.
Yeah,
you have been there.
I've been there
Since 2006.
Yeah.
You know, they thought there, because I share boundary with the police college, they thought there was a police college for one assassin. And I walk a search and so when you go assassin. One there, assassin on your ben assassin. By the way, the entire Winneba assassinating in Anu. Because Yanni Gomwa and some Kwame Nkrumah in Satodo. Inti eto wasase wo hin anebusuan po a or there eka di the permission of government and sign a register, okay, through what we call vested assent. Enwa inti woni nyina no or vested land aben or tro or the vested land budget masa and yenu anom no osibia one thing se maybe ase inti na ma no did wechi, so you are busy trailing the minority leader. Hey, no, we was abenya shawunsa yejuma. But if you think that by attacking the minority leader, now was one for radio do they spending money to do this and that, I'm easy. Oh my, the master means it. If you do Bahoma. Oh. And I am one of the NDC for no opposition. They wanted to have the space to make their voices heard in parliament. Today, there are certain conditions. MPP in Kasa, no, wash out. There is a group PB. All their work is to make noise and stop you from talking.
In parliament.
In parliament. Watch the videos. And we'll start doing naming and shaming. They don't want to contribute to a debate. They don't want to debate. Their strategy is that, oh, a kasa, more man kasa. Now, only in democracy. Only in democracy. No. For me, yabe yejuma, ya shahoroba. Za all the years 2 years, but 2 years. Yazi enyizi no obu, yazba mahon. Then demonstrate there, look, yet say amembo ase.
We a confrontational parliament too much.
When the NDC for now. Oma mama kase mi chwe. NDC for a patapafo. So when you are here
today,
Oma
no.
Say any
NDC parliament too many patapafo.
Say NDC for anyone listen.
Yeah.
Na enyi akukudura obesha wodo. One is in there, what you giddy. Inti say enya akukuduru enjawana da obesha wodo. I'm telling you. Look at what they did during the elections. Whereas MPP for years, police, 1 year when Ejuma, they were with their vigilante foot soldiers attacking. You saw the videos. Areas, look, there were some 62 seater. And this if we win here, they won with less than 1,000. There are some 30 seater will win with less than 500. Some of it, audit. Omahin, ye an audit now. Obey the 2012 pink sheets. Your friend then issue now ye uncovered to prove to Ghanaians there was really something wrong. Look, some areas they sacked our agent, beat them, found a way to manipulate, but the right time will come. On how to protect our ballot. Was the demo patapa in the one of the when overwhelming majority? It's okay, enjoy it whilst it lasts. But I'm saying there, come 2028, we would go prepared to protect our ballot, make sure that we are extra vigilant, to make sure that maybe to our win. In him there, Abanga, 93 votes. Yen candidate. The guy had worked so hard and won. Some 4 polling stations Osini agents, they were beaten. At the end of the day, then those who sign are not even his agent. They got some names they signed. I have all the reports. A lot of areas where you see them patapa, they got full soldiers, walk up, declare. No, one sign. Look, on yet. But these are useful lessons. I'm sure that Professor Michael Quay reporting about would get to know more and prepare ourselves, rebrand the party, and then move in. All I would call on party members to do is that, look, let us act collective, let us stay united. Yenjay, the etim akam, siminte, and all that. But I spoke about this before the election. I was always saying, it's a matter of fact. In politics, where internally there will be issues. But for the good of the party, when there are internal issues, we have to manage them so that the party can move on. Since the Adom flag bearership election, Obabado, I keep telling my colleague MPs that, look, Indian MPs, let's be very neutral.
But they've taken sides already. I'm
saying that Indian MPs, as much as possible, you're neutral. Because some about MPs now was by fire do na Cambodia to masa. Ebia wo constituency executives. Now one are divided. Obi jina ha. it is you the MP and the back kawanabo. So our MP suke jina afa ekro ya no obeye dene obeye because baby a ye do no ehu hia de ye nyina ye ba payetem egu na ya adwen party no ho dem bro be ya mpanyimfo na wo be pre no za obenye bia no na ye nyina ye dene ye ta nature since ya yen strength a ye wo as a party onenye parliament oye parliament adwuma ye botum ya ye 1988 no ye no kro ye na obe hye nkronfo nkran na obe ma party na se na gina na nando inti no masama mewo kana no paying de party mbe nyinara ekroye ndc for awo abem no into menka de wo so wo bibia ye perfect but me just there inti ase wo ho de wo abem ana wo ye party intina wo ko wenyim they lost elections in 2016 they also had problems but they came together. NDC wasn't the one problem. I know mine no pocho.
Correct.
2016 didn't they have major issues?
Correct.
Weren't there divisions within their ranks? But after they lost, they realized that ye lose nambum yem buka yam. Today they have it. In terms of maba mubu, minim there was some 60 seats bia nyami ya duma ye botum ye reclaiming one back. Onanyi Ejumazen.
As in the 2020.
Oh, of course, but Omahin, don't forget that in 2016 we had 169.
Yeah, don't worry.
By 2020, NDC will reclaim 32 more seats.
But these are projections.
No. I'm saying that
it will only
I'm
materialize.
saying that hard work. It will only materialize if we are united, we work hard, we act collective. And that is a call to my party members this morning.
But I say what you say, even before everybody. So what?
Omahin
national chairmanship
politics
national chairmanship
politics
what it is
mentory man fast Omahin
no
you won't take me to where you want to take me to. I won't go there with you. I won't go wherever you want to take me to. I'm signaling to you that I won't go. Listen to
minority leader,
listen to
you know what is coming up.
Omahin, all I'm saying is that we should.
It's in your own interest so that you caution supporters of these people who have that intent.
I you 10.
No, I'm saying that you caution them.
I'm saying that.
Because they say we have
that is the call.
Those vying for chairmanship position or moody intent number through their people and their services. Make sure say caution them because we have Henry Cote's fashion. We have
why are you mentioning
we have the former Minister Wakwata's fashion. We have John Gordon's fashion. We have Wuntumi's fashion. All these people are vying for the chairmanship position. Bibia okay.
Nyameya domoa. Bibia fine. A party crow and soon way and soon way.
Let me wrap up in your constitution.
A infantile woman baby was a Kusini no baby. Wambo na obereba warrior oye.
Correct. You have any challenge in your constituency? Somebody is contesting your. You have any challenge?
Oh my, say a win with a 20,000 margin. Now Obi Kafal Bibi. Na Oji.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my, 2012, I won with a margin of 2,000. 2016, I won with a margin of 10,000. 2020, a margin of 15,000. 2020, a margin of 20,000. Okay? Nimpa no file election petition.
I wish, say, Uncle Ebetos, there are more questions. I admit, Honorable Adekoka acknowledge a lot of the text messages.
What's that question here?
No. Obeko next week, a board chairman for a very relevant institution.
Which board chairman? But you know, Eja Adekoka, he did very well. You know when NDC
but he's now on
lost.
He's now on the committee on Moye
but when NDC lost in 2016, it was one of the few NDC in Painfa. They boldly stayed in the media space and worked for the party when everybody.
You don't reward party people. They are rewarding. You don't reward party people. They are rewarding party people. So
which one is that?
Don't prescribe for the NDC.
No. I'm not prescribing.
You don't reward party people, so they will come. They are empowered rewarding their party people.
What are you trying to insinuate?
So the inference is simple.
What are you trying to insinuate?
The MPP doesn't acknowledge and appreciate core party people.
I know where you want to get to. So
let me
respond.
No, we don't have time. No,
you know we don't have time.
No, I sit here and I ask the questions.
You ask the question. I sit here to answer your questions. Let me answer.
You're not obliged.
On this occasion, I've elected to answer.
Okay, so answer.
Thank you. Omahin. Mami share wo ahwefo nyina won enyim. Na monka de MPP yeji tum de 8 years ayeba abem. Iye bibia na yetumi ye 100%. Me the party members piwo wo bo party ibinu wo ye media personnel. Ibinu wo ye ordinary foot soldiers obi enyim won. Wo som party a wenye inzinua. Masamanyi de se iye obi wo wumu as a party member Monka kawa kuma to him. There is always a new day of hope. Party na ye woman no sintopi baba se sisem bi no wozizi wende da oya wo party Monka ebia bibi nchanto aba ebia bibi mponti etuti e wo party na masamanyi de se iyi wonso no gupada iziza ahimfa do okafa inti yesre yenje Monka na yenyina yem kambom ye kasa akire ye ho a yem fe nyize ma yen hihya horoba ma yen kasa ntie ye ho na obi biara owo ebufu no yen kana komantu ni yem mo wo jezi de dam pempem so ne ba na ekro ye ne ba na yenya ye ho abotar na ye ze nyizi ye ze ma ye ho the party mba yenyinara ye wo obaten kor na enufa no ye numenufa nyame ya adoma 2028 nkunyimzi by yes.
All right, Fufu party is coming up. Admission is still in progress for St. Andrew's Sukuno.
Oh, I am regional chairman in school.
Our former, that's not what I said.
No, that's St. Andrews.
Please,
Professor.
Please. Please.
Hey, Omahin, you are a bully. You are a bully. Omahin, you are a bully.
Unfair comment.
You are a bully. You St. Andrews, yenyim school no. Na make there St. Andrews. Inyama minyanko professor.
May end the conversation. Our former president, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, your party leader, are you wrapping up with that song, Asempa Pebi Amati, with that tone, C major? You can go for us.
Nyankopon nyimide, MPP able to mo yasya. Demti na ozya suyayen ye bobo mozen ya suya me mudia no adom nyamenyim de ye botumo ya suya.
Nimdam for Afenyo Markin, Minority Leader, Member of Parliament for a Future Middleman Hene Kobna Santinya Medicha. We are here tomorrow to serve you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.